Ever been in a pinch and needed to make a secure payment, but didn't have access to a personal check? You're not alone. Cashier's checks are a popular option for situations where a personal check might not be accepted, like paying rent to a landlord who's hesitant or making a large purchase. But does Ally Bank offer this traditional banking service? Let's dive in and find out. Cashier's checks are essentially guaranteed funds. Unlike a personal check, which relies on your personal account having sufficient funds, a cashier's check is drawn from the bank's own funds. This makes them a more reliable and secure payment method, especially for high-value transactions. Now, Ally Bank is known for its digital-first approach to banking. They're big on online and mobile banking, offering features like easy transfers, bill pay, and even mobile check deposits. But when it comes to traditional banking services like cashier's checks, things might be a little different. So, the short answer is, Ally Bank does not directly issue cashier's checks. This might seem surprising, given that most traditional banks offer this service. But Ally's focus on digital banking has led them to prioritize other solutions. They likely believe that alternative methods can serve the same purpose more efficiently in today's digital age. While Ally doesn't issue cashier's checks, they offer several convenient alternatives. Wire transfers. Ally Bank offers fast and secure wire transfers. This is a great option for urgent payments or large transactions where speed and security are paramount. ACH transfers. For most everyday transactions, ACH transfers are a reliable and cost-effective solution. Ally facilitates smooth and quick ACH transfers, making it easy to send money to individuals or businesses. Ally Pay. This mobile payment feature allows for quick and easy peer-to-peer payments. It's a convenient way to send money to friends and family, and it can even be used for some business transactions. These alternatives offer similar levels of security and reliability to cashier's checks while leveraging Ally's digital strengths. For example, wire transfers and ACH transfers are electronic transactions, making them generally faster and more secure than mailing a physical check. Now, if you absolutely need a cashier's check and you're an Ally Bank customer, you do have a few options. Visit a partner bank. Ally Bank may have partnerships with other banks. You might be able to obtain a cashier's check at a partner bank by presenting your Ally Bank account information. Use the Ally Bank ATM. Some Ally Bank ATMs might allow you to withdraw cash. You could then use this cash to purchase a cashier's check from another financial institution. However, these options might involve additional fees or require some extra steps. It's always best to check with Ally Bank directly or explore their alternative solutions first. Ally Bank's focus on digital solutions reflects the evolving banking landscape. More and more transactions are happening online, and digital alternatives like wire transfers and ACH payments are becoming increasingly popular. By prioritizing these digital options, Ally can offer customers a more efficient and streamlined banking experience. This can save time and potentially reduce costs compared to traditional methods like obtaining a cashier's check. Addressing concerns and finding the best solution. Of course, some customers might still prefer the traditional convenience of a cashier's check. If you fall into this category, it's important to weigh the pros and cons, consider the urgency of the payment, the recipient's preferred payment method, and the potential costs and time associated with obtaining a cashier's check through alternative means. Ultimately, the best solution will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. Ally Bank offers a range of payment options, and by exploring these alternatives, you can find the most suitable solution for your specific situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.